Hey, Carlos here from Brooklyn Motorworks. Third generation mechanic here to show you how to install a set of Icony R6 LED headlights in your 2016 Honda Civic. You're not going to need a lot of specialty tools or equipment to take on a new project. You'd be surprised how far you'd get with a set of wrenches and a basic tool set. If you can't find it on eBay Motors, it does not belong in a car. You have the options to really get creative and really express yourself. At the end of the day, eBay Motors allows you to make your car yours. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward install. All we're going to do here is disconnect the existing light bulb, turn counterclockwise, and pull straight back. The new bulb is going to go in the same place. You're going to twist clockwise until you feel it click, and then you're going to reconnect the connector, and you're ready to go. This is a great aftermarket upgrade to your existing OEM headlights. LEDs are going to run cooler, last longer, and run brighter.